Would you like to wow your guests with something healthy, but not so boring?
Yeah, yeah.
Have I got a treat for you? This delicious cheese ball made with fresh hemp seeds and almond pulp is sure to make you the hero of your holiday party. Most cheese balls are made with cream cheese and other processed cheese. Ours is going to be made with fresh hemp seeds. So put a cup of hemp seeds and a half a cup of water into your blender, a teaspoon of salt, and a tablespoon of sweetener. I'm using coconut sugar here. And shake it up so that you can start blending it away to make it nice and creamy. Perfect for our holiday cheese ball. When your hemp cream cheese is completely smooth, scrape it into a bowl. It's that easy. Now we're going to add the almond pulp from the other week when we made almond milk. You're so environmentally friendly. With a fourth a cup of nutritional yeast and a teaspoon of salt. Garlic powder, add a heaping teaspoon of garlic powder and a heaping teaspoon of poultry seasoning, perfect for the holiday flavor, and a teaspoon of onion powder, perfect to make it taste so delectable. I love using dill, so add a teaspoon of dill and then just mix it together with a spatula. See how easy that is? Now we're going to add the veggies. Add some onion if you'd like. You can use daikon radish if you choose instead. And a tablespoon of some type of vinegar. I'm using coconut vinegar. And you can use a half or a couple of small red bell peppers. And some parsley, chopped up parsley in there, and some scallions or chives like I have here, because they're little tiny and perfect, and mix it all together again. And now we're going to ferment it and turn it into cheese by taking your almond milking bag, making it wet, and then we have to let it sit out for 24 hours. So put it in there. Now, just take a cookie sheet and a couple of plates and put it up, a plate upside down. Put your cheese on top with another plate on top of that and press it nice and thin. And then make a press using some really heavy books that are also good for your mind. So now you'll have smart cheese. Leave it 24 hours. Hooray, cheese time! And now we're ready to finish off our cheese ball. Take it out of the bag, taste it to make sure it's nice and cheesy. Delicious. Now scrape all of your cheese out of the bag, get a bowl full of water, wet your hands, and get ready to have some fun making your cheese into a ball. Now we're going to cover it with crushed walnuts. I love using crushed walnuts. And then let's flavor the walnut so it has it on the outside with just a little bit of onion powder, poultry seasoning, and salt to give it that flavor. And if you're like me and you love dill, add some dill. That's the dill. So fun and so easy, mixing it all together. Now roll your cheese ball in it so it'll give it that perfect flavor. Nobody's gonna know this is vegan. They're just gonna say it's delicious. Add some of your homemade crackers from last week and some veggies and do a little dance because you are the star of the show. For the full recipe and more, head on over to masterfoodartist.com and remember to subscribe and like this video. I loves you.